Welcome back, Maniacs. We're at Maniacs Garage today. Today we're working on the 62 Mercury Monterey. We're going to be doing a front disc brake conversion kit. We got the spindle all cleaned up, ready for installation. Please remember to subscribe to the channel. Check out this 62 Maniac, as well as a 49 Body Swapped BMW and other products we work on. You don't want to miss any of this stuff going on. Let's get started.
Do it again.
Let's get started.
Okay.
Let's get started.
Okay.
Let's get started. This is the front spindle, 62 Mercury drum brake. You want to go with front disc brakes on this machine. Better stopping power. I do foresee my 16-year-old daughter driving this thing, maybe. Want to keep it as safe as I can for her and peace of mind for me. Just makes sense. Easy install kits these days. We got it all right here.
All right, let's unpack that bad boy.
Let's unbox it. Here we go. All right. What does this say? Right side up.
Okay.
Yeah.
I guess we're gonna work on the left then.
All right. Look at these goodies.
Ooh, braided lines, huh?
We got
Nice.
braided lines.
That's pretty cool.
Pretty cool, right? Right. All right.
Ooh, caliper.
Caliper.
Okay.
Okay.
Cool. So what is that thing? Is that
It'll be a single disc.
Yeah. Okay.
A single disc caliper.
You mean a single piston? One big piston. It is.
Yeah, it's one.
Okay.
One big daddy.
Cool. Well, it's definitely going to be a lot better than that drum brake that it had.
Yeah. So I've always been fascinated with these bolts here. They're called Banjo Bolts. It's got a hole drilled in here and then through the center for connecting brake lines.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Can't over torque those bad boys.
Kind of neat. Crush washers.
Yeah.
Ready to go.
Cool.
Right.
So caliper, got some hardware stuff.
Yeah.
Nice. That's all the spindle, nut, and such.
Yeah.
Oh, there's the bracket for the caliper.
The bracketry.
Nice. Okay.
Okay.
Cool.
Yeah.
Nice. And we got a disc brake.
Yeah. Well, this is going to be kind of cool. I'm kind of excited to see these.
Is it drilled at all, or slotted, or anything, or is it?
That's for you to.
Don't know.
Yeah, you know.
No. It's a mystery.
Yeah, we're gonna find out right now.
Mystery. I like your utility knife. It's pretty.
Yeah.
Cool.
Well. Ooh.
Oh, it is. It is.
You know,
oh, that's cool, man.
Yeah,
so it's the same left pattern, I hope. Yeah. So you have to. You can do front and back wheels the same. Hope so, man. It's another mystery.
Dude.
Well, it is for this car, so
yeah.
I guess it should be. Okay, cool.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
We can check it. Let's check it. Let's go grab a wheel.
We better
Let's go
check.
stick it on there. So we're a little curious to see. Hopefully, it matches the lug pattern. Well, it definitely doesn't match the center bore for these wheels, but that might not be that big of a problem.
I think it's 5 on 4.5.
Which is?
Let's just get out the handy dandy
tape measure. Man, this toolbox is a mess, but it is a box, so, and we love that. So you measure from center to center on one of those?
Off the one.
Mm-hmm.
2 and
3/4?
just shy 3/4, so 11/16.
Are we even close? Looks like we might be close.
Yeah, we're right on.
Okay, so just the center bore is bigger, which is fine. I mean, we can order wheels, and for the rear on the drum, that's not going to matter, right?
Yeah. So looking at this, I don't know what's going on here, man. I don't like this.
What do you not like?
Look at this. Feel that.
But that in there is not where you ride.
Yeah, I know.
You ride right here.
Yeah.
So you want to just clean it out a little bit. It's pretty raunchy, huh?
Yeah. All right, so our kit didn't come with any instructions, so it's kind of, you know, trial by fire right now. And I did find another video that kind of walked me through it a little bit. And what they said is you gotta actually grind on the bracket a little bit to get it to fit. So I've taken off that material there.
Which was true, because when you tried it, it definitely needed it. So
for sure.
So it mounts right there to the spindle. So this is the factory spindle that had the drum brake on it on this 62. So this is a 62 Mercury Monterey, but it's an equivalent to a Ford Galaxy.
Sure.
So that's a much more popular car, and so this kit, you know, will fit on either. And so, so that's what's happening here. So that's the bracket for the caliper. Oh, it's still warm from the grinding. The kit came with the bolts. I don't really like how that's got slop in it. Should there be a sleeve or something, or just once it gets tightened down, that's it? All right. Well, that's what you get for eBay kits.
Yeah.
This is a budget build. It's a budget build. What's going on, Jim? What's taking so long?
Oh man, just having to kind of custom fit this bracket to the spindle.
Okay. Took a few tries?
A few tries. I didn't want to take too much off, and kind of wanted it to rest up against it for a little extra support anyways.
It's all good now?
Yeah, it's all good.
Cool. So what's next? Rotor?
A couple Ugga-Duggas first.
Yeah?
Hell yeah.
And give it a little bit of a torquage?
Little torquage.
Little twerkage.
No.
So in the meantime, that you guys saw on the time lapse possibly was that he packed the bearings. Actually, before he packed the bearings, he wire wheeled and cleaned out the inside. There were some burrs on there. This is an eBay kit, so not necessarily the nicest finish work on it, but cleaned that out, greased it up, dropped in the bearings, and the kit actually came with 2 sets of bearings, so apparently there is a different size spindle, is what we figured. So he is going with the smaller ID, I think, is what ended up being for the bearing kit. And so, you ready to put this bad boy on, or what?
Yeah, it's got to pack this bearing right here.
Pack another bearing? All right, cool.
And whew.
And then you need to take a breath or something?
Need some water, dude.
Here, I'll get your water for you, because I know your hands are full. Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, let's not get it into the grease, though. I can't even see it because the camera's in the way. And this is how you pack a bearing,
well,
boys and girls, if you don't have a bearing packer.
Yeah.
Actually, there's a way to put it in a Ziploc baggie too. Have you done that?
Technically, I mean, this would be like this. Would probably be better until I see it come through, and it actually gets significantly heavier once it's packed. And then we can slide it right in. All right, so our inner seal's in.
Okay, cool.
Bearings on.
So that's basically a little seal guy like that.
Little seal guy.
All right.
Ooh.
It's like a glove.
It's nicely.
Look at that. All right, cool. Well, that's
my bearings.
promising. And this is the correct side, correct? Because they're vented, so we want to make sure that it's spinning the right way.
Oh.
That's right. Let's check the other one real quick, too. So we're trying to figure out which way the rotors should go on that 62. And these are the factory BMW discs on this car. And looks like they are dissipating heat out is the way they rotate. So, I think that's the wrong side, Jim. I think that's the side for this driver's side, even though the kid's telling you otherwise. I mean, that's factory BMW set up on those brakes, and that's how they're spinning, to let the heat out as it spins instead of capture air in. All right, so we decided to swap the left for the right, even though the kit did come saying that the other one is the driver's side. We feel that this is the driver's side based on how the BMW's slotted rotors are on the 49 Ford out there. So we're gonna prep this. And when I say we, I mean Jim. And then we are gonna install it, and by that I mean Jim. Is that the right way, dude? Or
yeah.
Yeah? You need another hand?
need you to film it.
Dude, just don't bend this seal.
Oh boy, like that?
Yeah, like anything. That's probably still fixable.
Yeah.
Son of a biscuit eater. That's right, kids. This is a G-rated, PG-rated show, so you can be safe around here. All right, so seal didn't quite want to go in right, so well, we have a second chance at it. It's a little twisty, but I think the sealing happens on the rubber side. I think you can still make this go. Put that bent side in first. Is it gone?
I'd say it is.
Doesn't look like it.
Nope.
I have like a mallet.
Dude, this is trashed. That ain't no good, dude.
All right, so we salvaged it, took that seal out and kind of massaged it back into shape. Oh, what's that seal?
Oh.
Sweet.
Sweet. I already know that that one fits. There, and this is actually the old nut. There's not a new nut.
That's not the old nut. So does it have a...
It does.
A castle nut?
So it has one of these.
Wait, that's the big one. There's another one that looks smaller.
I know.
Oh, you know? Then why don't you pick up the right one, dude?
I think it's this one, the big one.
I think it's not that big one, dude.
Okay.
Jim, what would you do without me, dude?
Well, I would have figured it out eventually. Let's see how it spins.
I'm not just a cameraman, apparently. Yeah,
okay, so
looks really good, dude.
So now we should look up, I wonder what a torque is on that.
Right. All right, so figured out how to tighten this, which was just by feel, right? Just spin it, feel it.
That's the best technical data I can acquire.
Okay, cool. And it feels nice. So now you're ready to mount the caliper.
Yes.
Brackets right there behind it. Man, this is a really nice, I like this setup so far, man.
Yeah, it's pretty cool.
This actually went pretty good.
Whoa!
Oh, whoa, whoa, what's going on here? Hold on. Okay. There you go.
All right.
Okay, bolt through.
This one is no surprises as far as how it goes.
And then hopefully those brake pads are off of something common.
They do have their own website, even though it wasn't eBay.
Okay. Oh, okay. Okay.
I just found that out watching some other YouTubers.
Well, Jim, I gotta hand it to you, man. You did a great job on that.
Came out all right.
Dude, that looks really good. Really good. Love it. Look at that. All right, let's do the other side.
The other side will be twice as fast.
All right, we're on the passenger side now. So again, gotta do the little trimming, fitting of the caliper bracket. Didn't really film this on the other side. I was busy with another project.
Yeah, but now we know what we're doing.
And now we know what we're doing. So, cool, mark it, and then we're gonna take it, grind it. Yeah. Let's go.
Like that. Okay, I just need the correct washer and I need to find the spindle nut for this side.
All right, well, you guys made it this far. We actually finished the disc brake conversion on the 62 Mercury Monterey. Jim did an excellent job. So it went on really good, actually. And it looks awesome too. So the only thing left on it now is to add the steel braided lines, the master cylinder, and the brake booster, because with the disc, you need those. It didn't have that with the drum brakes. So awesome on all of that. And want to make sure that you guys hit that subscribe button right there. And don't miss the videos that we're putting out. We do have some bad news, unfortunately, from the machine shop. The block for this thing is junk, unfortunately. They tried to sleeve one of the cylinders and it was not going to work. It was too much that they had to take off. So we are now looking for either a block or a complete engine. We're looking for a 352 FE or a 390 FE Ford. So if you guys have a lead for that, make sure you guys leave a comment and let's see if we can maybe find something, huh?
Yeah, we need to recover from this. It's a big blow.
Yeah, it's pretty bad. So we're gonna try to think of what other options we have. May have to just put a more modern engine in here. We don't know yet. So, all right, well,
just found out. So
just breaking news right there, right before we filmed this outro. So he's a little bummed right now. But all right, guys. Well, hey, thanks, and we'll see you guys in the next one.